Hello. um, Recently, my friend's YouTube channel, it's been getting a bit more popular. I mean, we kind of co-own it, but it's been getting a bit more popular. It has like 150 subs almost. And the logo, I made it in like 2019. It's not bad, but I can't say that it's good. So I want to make him a slightly better logo using Blender. And I kind of want to have a little backplate and then their letters on the backplate. And I want sort of like relatively shiny uh, relatively shiny materials, and I want it to look pretty nice. His YouTube channel, our YouTube channel, is called Terminator Waffle Robotics. It's just like some robotics thing we made. And yes, here is making the new logo. The first thing I want to do really is have a background to put the letters on. The channel's called Terminator Waffle Robotics. Discord. The channel's called Terminator Waffle Robotics. It's just like a robotics thing we made. It's a bit weird name, but whatever. And I want to just put TWR letters on like a circular base plate. So here's a time lapse of me making all of the base. I actually forgot to record the making of the base, but while this time lapse plays, I'll just explain it. Basically, I had a cylinder, I rotated it towards the front, I made it a bit thinner, and put the origin on 0, 0 in the very center of the actual thing. Then I duplicated the cylinder, I deleted the front and back face, gave it a solidify modifier, and just made it a bit bigger and moved it a bit forward. I moved it 10 centimeters forward, so it had a little rim on the outside. And that's basically what I did until we reached this point. Okay, so after a while of scouring the internet for some good fonts, I just downloaded the Roboto, whatever it's called, the Roboto font off Google. It's like free to use, whatever. I'm 99% sure this is actually the font I used for the original logo, so I'm going to use this. So basically, I want it, so the text is 0.1 meters thick, and this indent is also 0.1 meters. So I think basically all I have to do here is grab this, and it's inside that. I'll get to that in a second. Yeah, that's the middle, and then I'll just grab, put it on the wrong axis. Grab X like that, and that actually looks very nice. So as you can see, I've done all this. Now next I just have to do the materials. I also tried putting a subsurface modifier on this outside area, but it looked terrible. So this is what it looked like. Looks like a plane engine or something. So I don't like that. So I'm just going to leave it like this for now. Okay, so all there is really left to do is to give everything here a material and to decide where the camera and the light needs to go. So I think the camera angle will be like kind of like that kind of thing, so you don't really see much of the side, but it's mainly just the front. I fixed the resolution issue with this. Like doing a subsurface modifier looked terrible, so I basically just redid it with a lot of vertices, and it looks alright now. And I'm now ready to actually start with the materials, which is very nice. I've finished the backdrop, I finished where I want the light, the camera, and I've finished what color I want, I've finished everything. So I'm totally done. I just need to do our final render. And make sure to like and subscribe if you liked this video. I know it's kind of cringy, but please do.